With AnyCAD capabilities available in both Fusion 360 and Inventor that are included in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection, you can work together and share information across applications seamlessly. For example, one team is working on designing a CubeSat inside Inventor. The design is being fully detailed just as it would normally be. Once it's in a state to be shared with the product engineering team, it can be uploaded and shared using Autodesk Drive. Inside Fusion, the design can be directly opened, not translated, along with any additional data that needs to be brought in, regardless of the CAD software that was used to create it. With this capability, a complete definition of the product can now be created and accessed anywhere. Using that data inside Fusion, the soft jaws on the robot can be modified to fit the frame as it was designed inside Inventor. Follow-on work can now be done as well to test out the design. Using the nonlinear simulation available with Fusion 360, an issue was found with the uprights of the CubeSat, which are not strong enough to withstand the forces experienced during the operation using the robotic arm. This information can then be shared with the team designing the CubeSat. The design can be reopened inside Inventor and modified to strengthen the uprights using a solid hexagonal bar. Here is where AnyCAD with the associative link to the original design helps the most. In Fusion, the CubeSat design can be refreshed in a single click, and the Boolean operation that was performed on the soft jaws updates automatically. This can extend even further downstream into manufacturing documentation, simulation studies, and machining operations. A change made anywhere updates everywhere across the entire design and manufacturing process thanks to AnyCAD.